Welcome teachers, I'm Teacher Sav with ESL EDB. Today I'm going to show you how to interact with EDB files. When you're using an EDB file and you click on a movable part of that file, you'll see these things come up on the bottom. So let's go over what each of these items does. So if you click the lock button, now you can no longer move this item, as you can see. Now if you click on that again and you click on the unlock button, now you can move it around the screen and it's interactive. The next one, if you click on this button, it makes it so you cannot make it larger or smaller. Click on it again and now you can make it larger or smaller to fit the space. The other thing here is this option. When you click on this one, you can either bring an item to the front or send it to the back. So if I send this one to the back, I can't see it. I'm going to bring it back to the front so we can see it. If I click on this icon, it makes a copy of it. So now we have two of the same dog. Now I don't want two of the same dog. I can click on the delete button or backspace while it is selected and that item is going to disappear. Let's look at how you might need to use these functions in a class with your student. So this is our Adopt a Dog EDB file, and we're going to select this dog and we're going to scroll down. It's going to come with us. Now we're going to move this over here. Let's say we want this to be now in the front. So we need to bring it to the front, for example. We'll drag him down here, and let's say, for example, this is behind the dog. You want it to be in the front. You can click on Bring to Front, and again, you can see it better. Let's go to the next page, and here, maybe we want to layer this particularly. Maybe we want the food in front of the food bowl. So that's how we can do that, by clicking on this button, Bring to Front. No, I don't like that. I can send it to the back. There we go. Now let's say here that the student is moving all of the items around, but there's one that you really want to stay on screen so you can talk to the student about it. That's when I would lock that particular image so that they can't move it out of the screen or potentially delete that item because I want that in class. So I would lock it while we're talking about it on that page, unlock it, and then you can bring it down with you if you'd like to the next page. Now on this page, maybe they want to make the dog a little smaller, so he's the same size as this one and they can play together or something like that. Then we're going to go to the next page and we think the puppy is too small, so we're going to make him a little bit bigger. Maybe they want a second one here just to move around and play with, and you can lock one in place so you'll always have this dog icon here. They can't delete it. And then maybe we scroll down here and we again want the dog bigger or smaller, or we want a copy of it. So these are all the functions that you can use. So let's go over them one more time. You can lock an image so you can't move it, unlock it so you can move it. Here you can make it so you can't make the image bigger or smaller, or you can have it so the image can be made bigger and smaller. Here you can send it to the back or bring it to the front, and you can also make a copy of it or delete that item. Thanks for watching and happy teaching from the ESL EDB team.